Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Basic IT Tools. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1, Introduction to Spreadsheets. In this unit, we are going to cover spreadsheets, concept of worksheets and workbooks, creating, opening, closing and saving workbooks, moving, copying, inserting, deleting and renaming worksheets, working with multiple worksheets and multiple workbooks, controlling worksheet views, naming cells using namebox, name create and name define, exchanging data using clipboard, object linking and embedding, printing and protecting worksheets, adjusting margins, creating headers and footers, setting page breaks, changing orientation, creating portable documents and printing data and formulae, implementing file-level security and protecting data within the worksheet, understanding absolute, relative and mixed referencing in formulas, referencing cells in other worksheets and workbooks, correcting common formula errors, working with inbuilt function categories like mathematical, statistical, text, lookup, information, logical, database, date and time and basic financial functions. Next is Unit 2, Data Analysis in Spreadsheets. Consolidating worksheets and workbooks using formulae and data consolidate command, choosing a chart type, understanding data points and data series, editing and formatting chart elements, and creating sparkline graphics, analyzing data using pivot tables, creating, formatting and modifying a pivot table, sorting, filtering and grouping items, creating calculated field and calculated item, creating pivot table charts, producing a report with pivot tables. Introduction to recording and execution of macros. Next is Unit 3, Word Processing. Introduction, creating and saving your document, displaying different views, working with styles and character formatting, working with paragraph formatting techniques using indents, tabs, alignment, spacing, bullets and numbering and creating borders, page setup and sections, setting page margins, orientation, headers and footers, endnotes and footnotes, creating section breaks and page borders, working with tables, creating tables, modifying table layout and design, sorting, inserting graphics in a table, table math, converting text to table and vice versa, create newspaper columns, indexes and table of contents, spell check your document using inbuilt and custom dictionaries, checking grammar and style, using thesaurus and finding and replacing text, create bookmarks, captions and cross-referencing, adding hyperlinks, adding sources and compiling and bibliography, mail merge, creating and editing your main document and data source, sorting and filtering merged documents, and using merge instructions like ask, fill in and if then else, linking and embedding to keep things together. Last one is Unit 4, Databases. Introduction to database development, database terminology, objects, creating tables, working with fields, understanding data types, changing table design, assigning field properties, setting primary keys, using field validation and record validation rules, indexing, working with multiple tables, relationships and integrity rules, join properties, record manipulation, sorting and filtering, select data with queries, creating query by design and by wizard, select, make table, append, delete, cross tab, update, parameterized query, find duplicate and find unmatched, creating multi-table queries, creating and working with table joins, using operators and expressions, creating simple and advanced criteria, working with forms, creating basic forms, working with bound, unbound and calculated controls, understanding property sheet, working with data on forms, changing layout, creating subforms, creating list box, combo box and option groups, working with reports, creating basic reports, creating header and footer, placing controls on reports, sorting and grouping, creating sub-reports. Hope it's helpful.